Let's discuss a few of the common constraints you'll need to work in Onshape. Here we'll be discussing the concentric constraint, the tangent, perpendicular, and parallel constraints, as well as the midpoint constraint. Let's start with the concentric constraint. The concentric constraint is a great way to ensure two or more arcs or circles share the same center point. For example, here I have two circles, and I want to locate one circle inside of another. Simply left-click each circle, then click the concentric command from the toolbar. The same applies for two arcs. Another useful example of concentric is making a point concentric with a circle or arc. To do this, simply left-click the point, left-click the circle or arc, and select concentric from the toolbar. You can see the point I selected is now constrained to the center of the circle. Next up, let's discuss the tangent constraint. As the name implies, the tangent constraint makes two pieces of sketch geometry tangent. For example, I want a tangent transition between the line and the circle. Simply left-click the line, then the circle, then select the tangent command from the toolbar. You can also use the T key on your keyboard for tangent. Another example would be two arcs or circles. Simply select each arc or circle and select tangent from the toolbar. Finally, you can also make an arc or circle tangent with a plane. Here I'll click the right plane, then my circle, and then make them tangent. Next up is the parallel and perpendicular constraints. To make two or more lines parallel, left-click each line and select parallel from the toolbar. To make two lines perpendicular, left-click each line and choose perpendicular from the toolbar. Finally, the midpoint constraint makes it easy to constrain your sketch geometry to the midpoint of a line or arc. Simply left-click your point, then the line or arc, and choose the midpoint constraint from the toolbar.